A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at EMO Hannover 2025. Today is day 3, and I have got very interesting guest, my dear friend, Mr. Lukas Köpsel, Global Sales Manager, MVK-Line GmbH. It's good to meet you, Lukas.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
It's good to catch you after a gap of 3 months. And I know I was a big fan of your mustache. That's the reason, ladies and gentlemen, I am having one. He's the guy for the reason. So to start our conversation, today is day 3. Can you let our audience know what MVK Line product has? What do you do? Your history, more about the company.
Of course. At first, it's a pleasure to meet you again here on this exhibition. It's like very fun, and we have a very good potential conversations together. And we have the third day here on the exhibition, and it was until yet very good days. A lot of potential conversation from people from the world, from the whole world, and we are manufacturer from Germany. We come here from Hannover. The EMO is our home exhibition, and our big advantage is not far away. And we are manufacturer of manual electric power tools for surface technologies. Yeah, we know what can work or what you can work with our tools. Polishing, grinding, milling, a lot of surface technology, what not possible or difficult possible with CNC. For after working or before you work with the CNC, you can prepare the building small buildings with our tools. Yes.
And Lucas, your family is a Royal Enfield enthusiast. You have got a big, lot of bikes. So we'll catch it up on the biking front. So today is day 3. What sort of response you are getting? First 2 days have passed. How's EMO Hanover for you?
For me, it is one of the exhibition where you find a lot of people from other countries. I like it because everybody have other applications, other problems who we solve, who we try to solve it. And this is important. You will find so special applications where you sound first time. And our mission is it to solve the problems with our problem solving hand pieces.
And what sort of industry can use these products? Which are industries?
Molding making, aerospace sector is one of the largest sectors who need our tools for building for rivet holes.
Okay.
So this is a rivet or a material part from an airplane, and you can build a lot of rivet holes.
So,
other point is to set mass points. It's a safety point for the aerospace. If the flash goes in the airplane, you need very clean rivet holes that the flash can go through the building parts from the airplane.
okay. And lastly, how can people reach out to you from India if they are looking for your tools? What are the options? How to get in touch with you?
We have some distributor in India. It's possible to buy our product from there. They can also repair our products and support you if you have some questions. It's also a maintenance tool. You need sometimes new bearings or new collet, and this is no problem. So, and now we are thinking about it to take part maybe in the future also in Bangalore in the next industrial exhibitions. So why not? We have to try it.
Thanks, Luca. Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon see Luca in Bangalore in some date. So it was pleasure meeting you, my friend. I can call you friend.
Interview.
And see you soon in India.
Hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Lucas.
Bye bye.